Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name is Gina and Miss Callie Cat is in the chair next to me. What are you doing, Callie Cat? You say hi? Say hi? Y'all, I have another update on the Hop into Spring collab. I had given up on getting the golden egg package. As a matter of fact, I've already done an update and told you what I won for being the person who would have got the golden egg. But y'all, I couldn't believe it. It was actually delivered. Now, I did go to the USPS website and have them search for the package, send them a picture of what the package would look like and told them what would be inside. So I don't know if it's because I did that I finally got the package, or if it just would have eventually showed up. But yeah, she mailed this 3/29/22. Today is 5/6/22. So this package has been around for a while, but we're finally gonna get to see what was in the golden egg package. I know, I had to look, y'all. I was like, wait a minute, this is craziness. So the portable egg, as you can imagine, did get a little mushed. But it was full of Werther's Originals, which is one of my favorite hard candies. I love these things. I always keep some in my purse. And I pass them out during church to my friends. But yes, poor little egg did get smushed. But yay, the golden egg has finally appeared. Let's see what else was in here. I got an Happy Easter. It says, somebody, some bunny thinks you're special. From our home to yours, we hope you have a blessed Easter and enjoy your loved ones. With love, Erica and Sherry. XOXO. So sweet. Love those girls. Love them. And of course, inside it did give me my gift certificate for $20 that I have already spent, by the way. I got the Hourglass eyeliner. I will put a card up above, whichever side it goes on. And you can watch that video where it shows you the Hourglass if you want to. But yeah, that's what I got for winning the golden egg. Too funny. Golden egg full of golden Werthers. And yeah, makeup. We love it. Thank you again, Erica and Sherry. If you don't know who they are, they're Wicked Awesome Lifestyles and you should go check them out. They're a lot of fun. They are single ladies from the Boston area. Love them. So much fun. Oh my goodness, they do Mask Mondays. They do live Mask Mondays. I think it's 7 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. But yeah, definitely go check them out. Have some good laughs. By the way, their live Mondays are not PG. So keep in mind that for the little ones. I might have to plug their ears, and sometimes I may have to plug my ears. Oh my goodness, y'all, thank you so much for spending time with me. I hope you have a wonderful day, and God bless.